Hey everyone, this is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Jefferies Financial Group? This is ticker JEF. JEF is in a well-defined uptrend and above all the major moving averages here, and I think that this could be a good trending stock to hold as long as it can hold above the 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the blue line here on the chart. If I zoom out here, we can see that Jefferies has been in an uptrend since November of last year. And yeah, it did dip down under the 50-day moving average a handful of times, but they brought it back up. Its latest test of the 50-day moving average was just last month. Recently, it's just been consolidating near the highs here with resistance right around $63. Now, the thing that makes me think that Jefferies has more upside is short interest. If I flip over to Market Surge and head over to the weekly chart here, we can see that there's about 7 days, almost 7 days of short interest on Jefferies. So we have a stock that is consolidating near the highs and has some short interest. And if it breaks to a new high above 63, I think some of those shorts might get squeezed, they might start to cover, and then we might see this trend continue higher. So Jefferies is just one of many stocks that we'll be looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. You can see it has positive earnings, it's in a nice uptrend, and it's outperforming 94% of the stocks in the market right now based on MarketSmith or Market Surge's RS rating. So that's just one of many we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, I'd love for you to join us. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side. Catch you next time.